Hi, let's start with a simple day. My name is Emma. I am 26 years old. I live in a small town. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread, cheese, and drink tea. After breakfast, I go to work. I work in a bookstore. I like my job. I help people find books. I also clean the shelves. At 1 p.m., I take a lunch break. I eat a sandwich or a salad. Sometimes, I drink coffee with my coworkers. In the evening, I come home. I cook dinner and watch TV. I usually go to bed at 10:30. This is my daily routine. Let's go shopping. Today, I go to the supermarket. I take my shopping bag. I need some eggs, milk, and fruit. First, I go to the fruit section. I buy bananas and apples. Then, I get eggs. I check the date on the box. It's fresh. I also buy a bottle of water and some cheese. At the checkout, I pay with my card. The cashier says, "Have a nice day." I say, "Thank you," and leave the store. I take the bus and go home. The weather is nice today. It is sunny and warm. The sky is blue. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. I go for a walk in the park. Children play on the swings. Dogs run and bark. Some people ride bicycles. Others sit on the bench and read. In the evening, it gets cold. I wear a jacket. I watch the sunset. The sky turns orange and pink. I love peaceful days like this. How do you give directions? Excuse me, where is the bank? It's near the post office. Go straight and turn left. Thank you. Is it far? No, it's just a 5-minute walk. Great. Have a nice day. You too. Let's take a trip. Last weekend, I visited my cousin in another city. I went by train. The trip took 2 hours. I sat by the window and watched the trees and mountains. When I arrived, my cousin picked me up. We ate lunch at a cafe. Then we went to a museum. I saw old paintings and sculptures. It was fun. At night, we played board games and drank hot chocolate. The next day, I came back home, talking with friends. I have a friend. His name is Jack. He is funny and kind. We meet every Saturday. We talk, drink tea, and play chess. Sometimes we go to the cinema. We both like comedy movies. Jack tells good jokes. He always makes me laugh. I'm happy to have a good friend like him. Talking with friends. I have a friend. His name is Jack. He is funny and kind. We meet every Saturday. We talk, drink tea, and play chess. Sometimes we go to the cinema. We both like comedy movies. Jack tells good jokes. He always makes me laugh. I'm happy to have a good friend like him. At the restaurant. Waiter. Hello. Welcome. Customer. Hi. Can I see the menu, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you are. Customer. I want chicken with rice and a salad. Waiter. Would you like something to drink? Customer. Yes, water, please. Waiter. Okay. 1 chicken with rice, salad, and water. Customer. Thank you. Waiter. You're welcome. My house. I live in a small apartment. It has 2 rooms and a kitchen. My bedroom is cozy. I have a bed, a lamp, and a desk. The living room has a sofa, a TV, and a table. The kitchen is small, but clean. I like cooking there. I often cook pasta or soup. There is also a balcony. I sit there and drink tea in the morning. My hobbies. I have many hobbies. I like reading books and watching movies. I also enjoy drawing. I draw flowers and trees. On weekends, I go hiking. I love nature and fresh air. I sometimes play the guitar. I'm still learning, but it's fun. I also write in my journal every night. Writing helps me relax. Short story, The Lost Key. One day, I came home from work. I looked in my bag. My key was not there. Oh no, I said. I checked my pockets. Nothing. I went back to the bus stop. I asked the driver. He said, "Yes, here it is." He gave me the key. I was very happy. I said, "Thank you so much." He smiled. It was a good day in the end. Short story, a nice surprise. It was my birthday. I thought everyone forgot. I went to work. No one said happy birthday. I felt sad, but when I came home, I saw balloons. My friends were there. Surprise! They shouted. There was cake, music, and gifts. I was so happy. It was the best birthday ever. Daily practice ends here. Repeat and shadow every day. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.